Imagine a world so harsh, so unforgiving, that survival itself is a miracle. Now picture a bear, not in a lush forest, but right here, in the blistering heart of the Gobi Desert. This is the Gobi bear, or Mazahali, the rarest bear on Earth, and this is its story of survival against all odds. Welcome, everyone. Today, we're venturing into one of the planet's most extreme environments, a vast expanse of rock, sand, and relentless sun. The Gobi Desert. It's a place that tests the limits of life, yet somehow a small, resilient population of bears has carved out an existence here for millennia. But now, they're on the very brink of extinction, with fewer than 50 individuals remaining in the wild. How do they survive? And more importantly, what can be done to save them? Stick with us as we uncover the secrets of these incredible desert dwellers. The Gobi bear is a unique subspecies of the brown bear, perfectly adapted to this desolate landscape. Unlike their larger cousins who feast on salmon and berries, the Gobi bear's diet is astonishingly meager. They are primarily vegetarian, subsisting on the tough roots of wild rhubarb, wild onions, and other sparse desert vegetation. Their very existence is a testament to nature's power of adaptation. Physically, they are smaller and lighter in color than other brown bears, their sandy brown fur providing excellent camouflage against the rocky terrain. This isn't a land of plenty. Water is the most precious commodity, found only in a handful of scattered oases. These life-giving springs are the focal points of the bear's territory, the anchors in their vast, arid home. The bears must travel immense distances between these water sources, a constant pilgrimage dictated by thirst. Their lives are a relentless search for sustenance in a landscape that offers very little. For decades, the Gobi bear was more of a legend than a scientific certainty. Sightings were so rare that many doubted their existence, but a dedicated team of international and Mongolian scientists and conservationists refused to let the legend die. Their mission: to find, study, and protect these phantom bears. The challenge, however, is monumental. How do you track a handful of elusive animals across nearly 20,000 square miles of rugged, inaccessible terrain? The answer lies in a blend of ancient tracking skills and cutting-edge technology. The team relies heavily on the knowledge of local rangers who can read the desert like a book, identifying faint tracks and subtle signs of a bear's passage. But to get a clearer picture, they've turned to the skies. Drones have become an invaluable tool, soaring over canyons and mountainsides, their high-resolution cameras scanning for any sign of movement. These eyes in the sky can cover vast areas far more quickly and safely than a team on foot. Back on the ground, another crucial piece of technology comes into play: GPS collars. To fit a collar, you first have to catch a bear, and this is done with extreme care using humane live traps baited with vegetables. Once a bear is safely tranquilized, the science begins. The team works quickly, taking vital measurements, blood samples for genetic analysis, and fitting the all-important collar. This device is a lifeline of data. It transmits the bear's precise location, allowing researchers to map their movements, understand their home ranges, and identify their critical habitats and corridors. Each data point is a golden nugget of information, helping to piece together the puzzle of the Gobi bear's life. The data streaming back from these collars has been revolutionary. It's revealed just how far these bears roam. Some individuals have been tracked traveling hundreds of miles in search of food and water, highlighting the immense scale of their territory. This information is crucial for conservation. By knowing where the bears go, we know what areas need to be protected. The genetic samples have also confirmed that the Gobi bear is a genetically distinct and ancient lineage, making its preservation even more critical. It's not just a brown bear in a desert, it's a unique piece of Earth's biological heritage. But the threats they face are immense and growing. Climate change is a major adversary. As global temperatures rise, the Gobi Desert is becoming even hotter and drier. The precious few oases are shrinking, and some are disappearing altogether. This puts incredible pressure on the bears, forcing them to compete for dwindling resources with other wildlife, and even with livestock. Illegal mining is another shadow looming over their habitat. The Gobi is rich in minerals, and unregulated mining activities can destroy critical habitats, pollute water sources, and disrupt the fragile ecosystem. The noise and human presence alone can be enough to drive the bears away from vital oases they have used for generations. The population is so small that it exists in a state of permanent fragility. With fewer than 50 bears left, every single individual is precious. The loss of even one female could have a catastrophic impact on the species' future. They are walking a genetic tightrope. With such a small gene pool, the risk of inbreeding and loss of genetic diversity is dangerously high, which can lead to health problems and a reduced ability to adapt to future environmental changes. It is a race against time. But this is not a story of despair. It's a story of hope and human ingenuity. The Gobi Bear Project, a collaborative effort led by dedicated scientists and the Mongolian government, is at the forefront of the fight. A key part of their strategy is a supplemental feeding program. During the harshest times of the year, especially before hibernation when the bears need to build up fat reserves, the team sets up feeding stations at strategic, remote locations. They provide a specially formulated pellet, packed with the nutrients the bears need to survive the lean months. This isn't about making the bears dependent on handouts. It's a carefully managed intervention, a temporary support system to help them through the toughest periods, especially as climate change makes their natural food sources less reliable. Camera traps at these feeding sites have captured incredible footage, confirming that the bears, including mothers with cubs, are using the stations. This simple act is giving them a fighting chance, boosting their survival rates and helping cubs make it through their first critical year. Conservation, however, is about more than just feeding bears. It's about protecting their entire world. The Mongolian government has designated a huge portion of the Gobi as the Great Gobi Strictly Protected Area, one of the largest protected areas in the world. Enforcing this protection across such a vast and remote region is a challenge, but dedicated rangers patrol the area, monitoring for illegal activities and ensuring the habitat remains pristine. Community involvement is also key. The conservation teams work closely with local nomadic communities, the traditional inhabitants of the Gobi. These communities have coexisted with the desert's wildlife for centuries, and their support is vital. By providing education about the importance of the Gobi bear and creating economic opportunities linked to conservation, the project helps ensure that the people who share the desert with the bears become their greatest allies. What we are witnessing in the Gobi is a powerful example of how science, dedication, and collaboration can pull a species back from the brink. The data from the GPS collars is informing policy, helping to establish protected corridors between oases. The genetic research is guiding potential future breeding programs, and the supplemental feeding is providing immediate, life-saving support. The story of the Gobi bear is a profound reminder of the fragility of our planet's biodiversity. Each species is a unique thread in the intricate tapestry of life. When one thread is pulled, the entire fabric is weakened. The Mazalai is not just a bear, it is a symbol of wildness, of resilience, and of a world that is rapidly changing. Its fate is intrinsically linked to our own, a barometer of our planet's health and our willingness to act as its custodians. Their struggle in the vast, silent desert should not be a silent one. They are a relic of a wilder time, a species that has mastered one of the most hostile environments on Earth. To let them vanish would be an immeasurable loss, an echo of extinction that would reverberate through this ancient landscape forever. Their survival depends on this continued, focused effort. It depends on the scientists tracking their every move, the rangers protecting their home, and on global awareness and support. The future of the Gobi bear is not yet written. The path ahead is difficult, but it is not impossible. With continued support for the research and conservation efforts on the ground, we can help ensure that these magnificent desert survivors continue to roam the Gobi for generations to come. We can help write a new chapter for the Mazalai, one not of vanishing, but of recovery. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey to the heart of the Gobi Desert. The story of this bear is one that deserves to be told. If you were moved by their incredible fight for survival, please consider liking this video and sharing it with others. Spreading awareness is a powerful tool for conservation. And for more stories from the wild corners of our planet, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. Every view, every share helps us continue our mission. Thanks again for watching.